In this video, I am going to show you how to register a new account for CoinMarketCap community. 1. Open your web browser and go to the CoinMarketCap website. 2. On the CoinMarketCap homepage, locate the Sign Up button. It's usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. 3. Once you've clicked the Sign Up button, you'll be directed to the registration page. Provide the necessary information to create your account. This typically includes your email address. And choose a strong password to secure your account. After submitting the registration form, check your email inbox for a verification message from CoinMarketCap. Follow the instructions and verify your email. And once your email is verified, your registration process is complete. You can now access CoinMarketCap community and participate in discussions, access additional features, and engage with the CoinMarketCap community. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.